Hello. So yeah, I'm back again, and today I want to talk about how you can make money on Respondent. All right. So to be able to register on this platform, you're going to need a work email. All right. Personal emails don't apply. And if you are a student, you can use your university student email, or if you are a former student, you can use that email. Okay, a university student email, right? So Gmail is not gonna cut it. So yeah, I'm sorry. You can actually spend a few minutes or a few hours doing some online gigs on this platform and get paid good money, like some really good money. All right. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you how to register on this platform and make money, and I'll explain as you know we go through everything. All right.
All right, guys. So, what I'm gonna do is that I'll put the link in the description box below. And yeah, so what you wanna do is you wanna come here, okay? Click sign up as participant or researcher, and then it's gonna bring you here, okay? Create an account. Now, what type of account do you wanna create? You are the participant, so you're going to click participant, okay? As soon as you click participant, it's going to take you to a page whereby you're going to need to enter your email address and your password, obviously, right? So you're creating an account, okay? So now, after doing that, you're gonna get an email, and then you'll be prompted to verify your email, okay? And then after you verify your email, it will take you straight to a page where you will be required to log in. Okay. And then, so since I already have an account, when I click here, it's going to take me to my account straight. Let's see. And my internet is a bit slow. But yeah, as you can see, so it takes me straight here to my account. This is my account. And what you're going to need to do before anything else, you're going to need to do your profile. All right. So you're going to need to fill in your names, your education, um, your work details, obviously. So basically, um, everything that is needed on this platform will be required of you, right? You will see everything, and then you're gonna need to also add a personal video introduction. I haven't done that yet, um, but yeah, it's really not difficult. As you can see, these are the jobs that are on this platform. Let's see, this one pays $95. Okay, it only takes you what 45 minutes to do this one, and then you get $95. All right, and then this one is gonna pay you $100. You're only gonna need an hour to complete this one. All right, this one $80 hour, $100 another hour. So it's a lot of jobs. It's really a lot of jobs. So if you think about it, it's good money if you consider the minutes or the hours that you have to you know take to complete this job. You only needed you only need 45 minutes to do this, and then you'll get paid $50. All right. So yeah, just check it out, and they will pay you via PayPal. Okay. um, Remember, you need a PayPal account that really works. Okay. And then after doing whatever study that you'll be doing, and after completing your job, you will get a notification into your PayPal account saying it's from Respondent. All right. Now, what you get every day is, if you look at the my profile here, Rodney Matapo, underneath it says I have 3 screeners left. Okay. So what they do is that every day they give you 3 screeners. So it's more like tries. All right. So whenever I click let's click on this one for instance. So they're going to ask me a few questions, right? And then let's see, right? How interested are you in taking online courses in the next month, right? So it's more like a short survey to see if you qualify for the whatever gig that you're going to choose, all right? So and then you're going to ask each and every question, and then make sure you ask it as truthfully as you can. Do not lie, all right? And then whoever the employer is will contact you, will make contact with you if you are successful for the study. Okay, and then let me say quit screener because I'm not gonna do this. Leave. So yeah, you will be contacted, right? And then they will let you know if you qualify or you have been chosen for the study. And then um, they'll make contact either via email or via cell phone. All right. So, which is why you need to make sure that in your profile you fill in all your necessary details so that these employers will be able to get in touch with you. All right. So, let's see. Is there anything else that I'm forgetting? Is there anything else that I'm forgetting? Um, yeah, I think so far. Yeah, you see, on this is where everything you edit profile here, and then your account details go here, and then your password, your social media accounts, and you know you can enable your notifications here. All right, it's really user friendly and it's not complicated. All right, let me go back to my dashboard. So yeah, again, just try this out, and you know you can make some decent money from this platform. And yeah, I think that's it regarding this platform. Hopefully, I'm not forgetting anything.
Hopefully this was useful. And remember that this is a side hustle. Okay, you're not gonna get rich from this, but you can still make some decent money. All right. My thing is we need to normalize having multiple streams of income because things are expensive out here. Okay, so yeah, check it out. You're not gonna lose anything. You can still make some decent money, like I said. And yeah, share this with your families, your friends, your partners, on your social media platforms. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video with some more content like this. And yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. Bye for now.